And we have an update tonight on a crash that killed a Henrico County police officer last year. The teenage driver has now entered a plea in the case. Our Julie Bragg joins us here in the studio with the latest on what happened in court. Julie?
Bill, Jeffrey Lankford entered into an Alford plea with the Commonwealth this morning. What that means is he agrees that the state has enough evidence to convict him of involuntary manslaughter in the death of Henrico officer Trey Sutton, but he still maintains his innocence. Officer Sutton was killed on March 30th of last year when he made a left turn across Chamberlain Avenue in his police vehicle. Commonwealth's attorney Shannon Taylor says Lankford, who was 18 at the time, ran a red light and hit Sutton's police car, which was also carrying another police officer and a citizen. The other officer and civilian were both severely injured in the crash. According to the plea agreement, Lankford was sentenced to 2 years, but 1 year and 10 months of that was suspended, and the 2 months of jail time will be served under home incarceration instead of a jail. Taylor said this agreement is not the exact result her office, Sutton's fiance, or Sutton's family wanted, but she said everyone did not want to run the risk of not having Lankford being held accountable because of 2 legal issues with the case.
I think the idea of this young man being held accountable to the felony, having certain parameters placed on him that will limit his liberty, was something that they were willing to accept than running the risk and him only being convicted of a misdemeanor or worse, not convicted at all.
Now, those legal issues involve the speed Lankford was going, which is unknown because his vehicle did not have a so-called black box inside of it, and a legal dispute between the Commonwealth and the defense about whether Sutton turned left on a yellow arrow or a red one. Officer Sutton's fiancee, Zoe Pearson, read a lengthy statement in court. It read in part, "There is no justice today. Today is still only about you, your future, and your fears. It does nothing for us. It doesn't bring Trey back, and it gives you very little accountability for what you've done." To read her full statement, just visit this story on our website, WTVR.com.